Hey guys, welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. Welcome back to another video. So today we'll do one more video on auto approve, how to auto approve the Terraform apply. So usually whenever we are doing Terraform apply, usually ask for confirmation. How to override that and auto approve the changes so that it doesn't ask for any confirmation. So let's quickly show you that and end this video. Just wanted to make a quick video on that. So suppose let's make one change in this project setting. Let's say I want to change this name to demo 1, and right now if you see my project is a name over here. So let's plan, if required let's plan this. It's not required, just to see what are the changes you can do Terraform plan. So it says want to change, and it says my project to demo 1 is a change, and usually we do is Terraform apply. So whenever we do this, it asks for confirmation, so we'll just do cancel, Control C. For auto applying, what you have to do is just put a space, hyphen, just give auto hyphen approve and press enter. So it will automatically apply all the changes. There won't be any confirmation coming. So if I refresh now, so it is applied and you can see demo 1. Same way you can do for every other changes, whatever you're doing in the other resource as well. And you can pass this auto approve params to auto apply all the changes. So hope this was helpful, guys. Let me know in the comments, and I hope you all subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.